All right, so this question gives us a word problem here, and it's asking us to describe the type of function, whether it's positive linear, negative linear. Now remember, linear, that means straight line. So positive linear would mean that it's increasing, so going from left to right, it would be going up like this. Negative linear means going from left to right. It's a decreasing function and it's going down in a straight line. Exponential would look like this, or it would look like this, depending upon whether it was exponential growth or exponential decay. Okay. And then quadratic would look like a U. So you would have a U on here. All right. So in this situation, here's the key thing. He feeds his dog the same amount of food each day. That's the giveaway that it's linear. So if the change is constant, in other words, this number here is the slope, if that's constant, then it is a linear function. So now I know it's either positive or negative. So let's look at what we're looking at. And what we're looking at is the amount of food. Let me find it here. It describes the amount of dog food in the bag after X days. So is the amount of food in the bag going to increase or decrease? You're feeding your dog each day. You're giving them 2 cups of food. So you're going to have 2 less cups each day. So the amount of food is decreasing. So that tells me that it's negative linear because it's decreasing. Okay, so that's the answer, negative linear. Let me just show you another way to think about this. So one way you could do it is just make a quick little graph here. So X, it tells us, is days. So that's how many days you've been feeding the dog. And Y is the amount of dog food. Okay. And so I'm just going to sketch like a simple little graph here just to get an idea what it's looking like. I don't know how much food you started with, but we could just pick a random number. So let's say you start with 6. So I've got 6 cups of dog food when I start. After one day, then I have 4. Then I don't know why this doesn't want to draw circles. And then after 2 days, I lose 2 more cups. And then I lose 2 more cups. And that gets me to there. This doesn't like to draw dots. Sorry about that. Okay. So if you look at this, and I messed this up, didn't I? That shouldn't be there. I was like, that doesn't look straight. So when you lose 2 more cups there, you're going to go from 2 cups to 0. Okay. So if you look, it's a straight line. It's going down. It's decreasing. All right. So it is a negative linear function. All right. Stick with it. Keep working hard, and you will master the math.